Namaste. In this video, we are going to start exponential functions, and here we will learn how to solve exponential equations by finding a common base. Here is the question: 5 to the power 2x plus 1 is equal to 125. Whenever we solve this type of exponential equation, so we have to make same base and then exponents are equal. So 5 to the power 2x plus 1, write as it is. But this one we can write in the exponent form. So 125 is 25 times 5. Okay, and 25 is 5 times 5. So here 125 we can write 1, 2, 3. So 5 to the power 3. Okay. So you can see here same base, common base. This is okay. So here finding a common base, that is 5, and here base are same, so exponents are equal. So we can write 2x plus 1 is equal to 3. This is linear equation, we can easily solve. So both sides subtract 1. Okay. So this is 2x is equal to 3 minus 1, 2, and now both sides divide by 2, so we get 1. Okay. So x is equal to 1 is the answer. Here x is equal to 1. So what we have to do in this type of questions, first make same base, common base, and then exponents are equal. Okay, like this. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.